You're on the right track if you think Aerodynamics makes the world's most thrilling custom-built roller coasters. But if you think that's all we make, you're all wet. Aerodynamics has been making a big splash in the water ride category since 1962. That's when we took the plunge and introduced Flume rides to the amusement industry. And over the years, Aero's Flumes have proven to be big attendance generators, their appeal spilling over into all age groups. That's because Flume waterways can be any size with any combination of chutes, curves, lifts, and spillways, so you can let your imagination run wild. Structural supports can be low-maintenance steel or wood. Waterways can be fiberglass or less expensive concrete. No matter what kind of Flume ride you want to build, Aero can dive into your project immediately, because we have experience in designing flumes that fit any type of theming, topographical requirement, and budget. Aero's Flume boats are made to carry 4 to 6 passengers, but when it comes to shapes and colors, there's no limit, so let your ideas flow. And all of Aero's Flume boats are made of high-quality fiberglass, with colors impregnated into the glass to resist fading and scratching. Aero offers a watertight standard equipment package for our Flume boats that includes rust-proof aluminum running gear, rust-resistant handrails, and bow and stern bumpers. Along with Flume boats, Aero also designs hydro boats, which rush over a submerged hydro jump and then surge on, fast and furiously, to the run-out trough. With either Flume or hydro boats, double down chutes are available for safe, high-capacity operation. To keep all those passengers flowing rapidly through the turnstiles, you'll want a double loading station that can send off a boat every 10 seconds, or a rotary loading platform that can launch one boat every 7 or 8 seconds. Over the years, companies all over the world have copied the Aero Flume ride, but all of them are watered-down versions because they don't come close to the quality and reliability of the Aero Flume, which offers low maintenance and little downtime. Now, with over 60 Flume rides throughout the world, Aero Flumes are by far the most durable, dependable, and successful in the world. Building on the success of steel and fiberglass construction in Aero's Flume rides, Aero brought back an old favorite from the late 1800s. Using all of our experience and technology, we turned this ordinary water ride into one of the most extraordinary amusement park attractions available today, the Chute. The 3 Chute rides Aero has completed are located in Nanhu, China, Astro World, Houston, and Busch Gardens, Tampa. Chute boats, like Flume and hydro boats, can be customized to fit any theme, but they are much larger than Flume boats, holding 20 passengers each. With 8 to 10 boats per ride, that means you can move about 1,600 to 1,800 passengers per hour. On a Chute, riders are secured in 20-passenger boats with lap bars and taken up a lift. Aero uses a chain lift with anti-rollbacks, which are the safest on the market. After the boats reach the top of the lift, they freely glide into the elevated waterway where the speed of the boat matches the speed of the water. This controls splash and stops the trough from overflowing. Plus, the wet turn offered on Aero chutes is extremely realistic compared to the competition's dry turn channel. Aero Chute boats actually float through the water and then take a chilling spill down the chute. A camelback dip in the chute can be added to give riders an added thrill before they soak up all the fun at splashdown. Unlike Flume and hydro boats, where riders experience an occasional spray of water, a Chute boat can be designed to get your riders as wet as you want them to get, from a little bit drippy to totally drenched. A Chute ride also gives you a real opportunity to create interaction between the riders and the observers. An observation bridge can be built at the splashdown point so that people standing on the bridge get wet, unless, of course, they choose to watch the splashdown from behind a specially designed window shield. A Chute is a great family ride with high visibility, heavy repeats, and great capacity. Like all of the other Aero rides, with Chutes we pour on the quality and provide superior parts and service. The proven Aero technology for water rides overflows into all of our exciting dark ride transportation systems. Among others, we have designed and produced the transportation systems for Disney's Pirates of the Caribbean and It's a Small World. we work closely with animation and show people to give you exactly the type of dock ride experience you want. Aero's dock ride transportation systems are of the highest quality in the industry. They require very little maintenance and last for years and years. The most recent water ride to spill into the market is the River Rapids ride. Working with Bar Engineering, Aero can custom design and manufacture a River Rapids ride similar to Thunder Canyon at Valley Fair. Unlike other Aero water rides, where riders sit in flume-type boats and follow a course, riders of Aero River Rapids rides are secured into a raft and sent free-floating down a wild, churning river. It's water, water everywhere, as wave makers create walls of water for the rafts to encounter, and pressurized water jets send torrents of water shooting into the sky. There are waterfalls just around the bend, and plenty of white-knuckled whitewater rapids. Whether it's a flume, chute the chute, dock ride transportation system, or river rapids ride you're looking for, Aero has the proven technology that'll drench your guests in excitement. Plus, the maintenance requirements of Aero's water rides are a drop in the bucket. And our after-sale personalized attention, spare parts, and service are of the highest level in the industry. So if you want more guests flooding your gates, don't go with a manufacturer who's wet behind the ears. Go with the flow of satisfied customers. Go with Aero. We can help you with theming, design, engineering, or construction. We can help you build the world's fastest roller coaster or wettest water ride. Aerodynamics. No matter what the project is, we can help you engineer success.